We've got to have the best of the best fireworks, buddy. Look everywhere. Uh-oh.
Dude, there's a lit fuse in your firework.
Oh, hello, love. Oh, she's a beauty, that lit fuse.
We need to run, right?
Nah, she can't be outrun. She needs to be outwitted. Come on, mates. That is Sheila. Oi! Cover your bombs!
Not good! Run, Parker!
How do I keep letting you get me into these situations?